Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage display settings in Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up the settings on your device. Once you're in the settings menu, look for and tap on display and touch. This will bring you to the main display settings page where all the customization options are located. Now you can see all the display settings available for your Pixel 8 Pro right here. Let's go through each one so you can customize your screen exactly how you want it. First, tap on Brightness Level. Here you can manage the brightness level by adjusting the slider left or right. This is useful for controlling how bright or dim your screen appears in different lighting conditions, helping you save battery or improve visibility outdoors. Next, tap on Lock Screen. This section allows you to adjust what appears on your lock screen, including notifications and other information. You can customize what you see before unlocking your phone, making it more functional or more private depending on your preferences. Moving on, you'll see Screen Timeout. Tap it and you can set how long your screen stays on before it automatically turns off when idle. This helps preserve battery life by ensuring your display doesn't stay on longer than necessary. Next, you can tap the toggle button next to Dark Theme to enable it. Dark Theme switches your interface to darker colors, which is easier on the eyes in low light environments and can also help extend battery life on your device. Now tap on Display Size and Text. Here you can adjust the font size, display size, and various style options. This is particularly helpful if you want larger text for easier reading or prefer smaller elements to fit more content on your screen at once. Then tap on Navigation Mode. Here you can choose between gesture navigation, 2-button navigation, or 3-button navigation. This setting changes how you move through your phone's interface, so pick whichever style feels most comfortable and intuitive for you. Next, tap on Screensaver. In this section, you can enable or disable the screensaver feature and choose which type of screensaver you'd like to use when your device is charging or docked. It's a nice way to display photos or information while your phone isn't actively in use. Finally, you can see options for colors and color contrast. You can manage these settings to adjust how vivid or muted your display appears, or to enhance visibility if you have difficulty distinguishing certain colors. And that's it. You've now customized all the essential display settings on your Google Pixel 8 Pro to match your personal preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.